see, I spun out a lot and I had nearly no car control because that is a rx7 with stock angle. It just didn't have any steering angle to use to control the car. The tech section, I'm gonna keep it as short and as simple as I can. This right here is what we're doing to make this car have a fuckload more angle. Lower ball joint is here, tie rod is there. I'm taking this cutoff wheel, I'm cutting out that much metal. I already did the other side. The chunk that comes out is gonna look like that. Then we're gonna weld this back to the spindle, and the angle is fucking absurd. This is what we end up with, is a shortened knuckle. You should be able to very clearly see how much shorter that is from last time I showed it to you. There's our weld. So, yeah, the angle is, that's a bad example, but it's a lot of angle.
All right, stop right there. All right, well, we're just checking out the cut knuckles we just did. So this is just eyeball alignment. Just pulling it on the trailer, fuck with some stuff. So, all right, Tyler, turn all the way right for me and roll forward like a foot or two. God damn, what the fuck did we do? Stop. God damn. Wow-wee. That is pushing like, I'm talking over 55 degrees of angle, easily.
60, easy, like.
I'm saying easily 55. But
I was excited because I thought this car was gonna race, but now I'm kind of scared it's gonna be braking.
Oh, we're gonna break some shit. We're gonna have to figure out how to get some more camber on this thing or something. So less amount of the tire is gonna help a lot of stuff like rubbing. It's gonna help braking stuff. You can't drive it on the street as much like that, but for drift events, you can add a fuck ton of camber. It's gonna help a lot how that car feels around the corner. Holy shit. Wow. Turn it the other way and just back up about a foot. So show some moving angle. So actually what it's gonna do when it moves under load. Wow, that's pretty ridiculous. Yeah, you actually have to move forward with it.
Oh, that's caster dropping it back. That's self steer happening.
What's
This is a good example of what caster is. If you guys wondering, when you and letting go of the steering wheel when you're drifting and it goes back to going straight, that's it right there. That's caster. Like a.
What part of the wheel? Explain like what is caster.
The spindle is leaning backwards, and we're gonna watch. I'm gonna turn it more, and it's gonna lift the body of the car up. And there's going to be a way where if it swings back straight, the car sets down, and that's lifting that car up. Gravity wants to push it back down, so that's self-steer. That's how you get the steering wheel to go back straight. See, I let go of the wheel, see the car lift up and go down on the body?
Yeah.
That wheel gap will get bigger as I get more steering into it. So that's what causes self-steer to happen. Dude, this is just a fuckload of angle. I don't even know what to do with this.
kind of quick. It's a very busy part of the day. I don't have a power steering cooler on here, so I'm letting her chill out. We went to a different venue. The other place is too small and too crowded with traffic and semis. So it fucks. It's 1,000 times better. It's physically possible to drift now. I'm very happy with it. Show them the park corner real quick.
It's coming in to land right here.
And it's I don't know what it is. It's dope.
Some type of high wing, small tail dragger. Pretty fucking cool. Open lot. Very bad on the tires, but it's just a place to test where we don't get run out and it's not really by anybody, so we're not really causing that big a scene. Probably not gonna get in that much trouble, and we have to shake down the car. So
you might remember this spot multiple times. The single cam car, the first time it ever got drifted was here. The dual cam car, the first time it ever got drifted was here. This car, now that it's got cut knuckles, is finally making it here. So this is our test grounds. It sucks though because it's real hard on tires.
yeah, dude.
But it's very practical.
All right.
Start out in second gear, maybe see if I get into third.
Pretty fucking solid. 100 times better.
So next, hey, look at the coolant gauge real quick.
Oh, we gotta go.
Alrighty guys, so that was an unexpected twist for me. I have recently been in these turbo KA cars with stock Nissan mufflers on them, and they fuck, and they're really, really quiet. So this thing here sounds like a fucking stolen Corvette, and I'm not used to getting chased out of anywhere. It hasn't happened to me in years at this point. Unexpected and funny to me because I've gotten so acclimated to driving the quiet cars. Now, they were not hella fucking chilling. They pulled their truck out in front of the exit in an attempt to stop me and Corwin from leaving. He's in my dually, I'm in the FD. They then called the cops, and I was like, I'm not gonna have this conversation. There's nothing I'm gonna say that's gonna change these people's attitude. So I yeeted my car through like a little dirt patch and onto the road. The dude tried to chase me down on the road, which he had no chance in his F-150. Because like in fourth gear, this thing just did 100 past like 5 cars and just put distance between me and him. And I just didn't want to have the conversation with him. You know, like there's nothing I was gonna say that was gonna make him happy. And I'm not gonna quit doing it. So that's a wrap for this video.